Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your host Ahmed Malik and you are watching Zameen Facebook Live. Right now we are in PC Hotel Lahore and we have just witnessed a launching ceremony of Ambience Resort Hunza. And right now I have with me the CEO, the founder of Ambience Hotels, Mr. Qasim Kasuri Saab. Assalamu alaikum sir, how are you doing?
Walaikum salam, thank you very much.
Sir, first of all, the big congratulations on the launch ceremony of your project. I have personally visited this, so I know what a property this is. I mean, let's just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of it, the location of it, and the amount of amenities that you have basically filled it with. I mean, I don't think so we have any project in line with Zameen.com as good as this project. So first of all, a big
Thank you,
congratulations
that's
on
very
that, sir.
kind of you.
Sir, we saw you talk about the project at length. We know it is the gym. It is going to be the gym of Hunza, definitely. But talk to our audience right now. 2 million people are watching us right now live on Facebook. Tell us about your property to the people right away.
Well, first of all, thank you for having me, and I'm very excited to be here at this event and very impressed by the Zameen.com team. Best of luck to all of them and to us. So, Ambience Resort Hunza is technically about a year old. We started operations in June 2023. We did a soft launch then, but for practical purposes, this is our first real season in Hunza. I've been really impressed personally by the number of foreigners who come to Hunza. This is something that I think Mr. Basil just mentioned in his talk. And it is true that there are certain times of the year when you see only foreign tourists in Hunza. So, for example, we launched in June, we did the soft launch, and in September and October, our hotel was full of tourists from Southeast Asia, so Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand. It was very impressive. As we speak right now, we have tourists coming in from Italy, from North America. So Hunza is a place that attracts people from all over the world. This is the point I'm trying to make. And of course, in the summer, there's a lot of tourism from Pakistan as well. Now, what is it that makes our property unique? First of all, I believe that before we set up this hotel, there were very few hotels, if any, in Hunza, which were operational throughout the year. So most hotels in Hunza tend to close down sometime in November, and then they reopen around the end of February. We are the only hotel which is open 365 days of the year. We are the only hotel where you will get hot water, you will get heating. The rooms are climate controlled. If you want to put on the air conditioner also, you can do that. You have 24/7 room service. We have probably some of the best food in Hunza. One of the feedback that we get from our guests most frequently is how surprised they are by the food, because when people come to places like Hunza, they don't typically expect good food. They think कि चलो ठीक है पाकिस्तानी खाना तो ठीक ही मिल जाएगा, but when it comes to Western food or continental food, people have very low expectations. So whether it is our breakfast or it is our all-day dining, we've even introduced Hunzai cuisine over there.
Yep.
So we get wonderful feedback on that. The rooms themselves, each room is unique. Each room has original artwork from a emerging artist or from an established artist. The bathrooms are beautiful. These are not the kind of bathrooms that you would typically find in Hunza. To be honest, you won't find these kind of bathrooms or amenities even in many hotels in Lahore and in Karachi. जो दूसरी चीज़ हम कर रहे हैं फेज़ 2, मैंने जैसे कि कहा कि फेज़ 1 इस होटल का ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल है, और जो सेकंड बिल्डिंग है इंशाल्लाह वो सितंबर में जाके खुल रही है. A key feature of that building is that there is a state-of-the-art wellness center, and the wellness center is being developed in collaboration with Thailand's leading wellness resort. So we are together curating the program. उसका जो मेन्यू है ऑफ सर्विसेज, उसके अंदर एक स्पा का कंपोनेंट है, फिजिकल फिटनेस और न्यूट्रिशन का कंपोनेंट है, गट हेल्थ का कंपोनेंट है, एंटी एजिंग is one of the areas that we are looking at. So we are planning to offer retreats, which are 5-day, 7-day retreats where people can come to Hunza and focus on their health. So not just go there for a holiday, for tourism, yes, that is of course probably the major reason why people will go. But what would truly make Ambiance Resort Hunza stand out is that while you are having a holiday, you can also focus on your physical fitness, mental health. So for example, supposing you want to lose a little bit of weight. So for 1 week, you will work with our nutritionist. We will get you special meals which have been developed according to your nutritional requirements. You will have a personal trainer जो हर रोज आपको जिम के अंदर एक्सरसाइजेस सिखाएगा, प्रॉपर पोस्चर सिखाएगा, और फिर उस एक हफ्ते के बाद you might even get some hypnotherapy in which a hypnotist, I know it sounds funny, but hypnotherapy is actually used for weight loss these days.
Right.
Because a lot of the overeating that people do is not because they are hungry.
But it's mental.
It has to do with stress. It has to do with just using food as a substitute for other things. So it will be a combination of different therapies and techniques and gym and nutrition. And after this 1 week period, obviously एक हफ्ते के अंदर आप बिल्कुल कोई सुपर मॉडल तो नहीं बन जाएंगे, लेकिन उस एक हफ्ते के बाद you will be able to continue online consultations with some of our practitioners so that they can help you along your journey. So ये बस एक मैंने मिसाल दिया है जो हमारी physical fitness और weight loss retreat हम develop कर रहे हैं. इसके अलावा there are a number of other retreat options. There will be just a relaxation and a reset retreat because we all live very busy, stressful lives. So just to get away for 1 week, focus on yourself, focus on your wellness, on your mental health. There might be a retreat which is just focused on anti-aging and longevity, how to live longer, how to eat foods. अब Hunza, I don't know अगर आपको ये पता है या नहीं, लेकिन Hunza is known globally for being a place where people have very long lifespans.
Definitely.
तो हम between our partners in Thailand, जिन consultants के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं, and locals in Hunza, we are trying to figure out what it is about the Hunzai lifestyle and the Hunzai cuisine which makes people so healthy. And we are trying to kind of package that into a retreat. So by the time people leave after 1 week, they are equipped with healthier eating habits, and also we will run some tests on them, look at their blood work, give them recommendations on what they can do, what supplements they should be taking, how they need to change their lifestyle. So basically tourism के अलावा ये wellness का बहुत एक important component है, बल्कि मेरी अपनी expectation ये है कि इंशाल्लाह 1 साल के बाद people will be going to this hotel primarily as a wellness destination, with the added advantage of being probably in the most beautiful place in the world.
Definitely.
So basically these are some of my thoughts on Ambiance Resort Hunza.
So definitely a very exciting venture that you're going into and something we have never seen before. And I'm very, very happy कि पाकिस्तान में भी ये wellness और longevity के concepts आ रहे हैं, mental health के concepts आ रहे हैं. So it's something new for us and definitely very exciting. So coming to the main point that you have partnered with Zameen.com for. So we are seeing propositions of 12% guaranteed rental and also 3 night watchers. Obviously, being a resort this big, this exciting, people will be, occupying the units.
Inshallah.
They will be there, and that is why you will be able to provide what you are proposing to people.
Yep.
So tell us about that as well, that proposition.
So I think that probably the best response to that you can provide yourself, but I can just give a general overview. So we are excited to be able to offer a 12% return on investment and 30 vouchers per year, and also after the 10-year period there is a return on your capital in terms of capital appreciation. So I think cumulatively, I think this comes to over 20% return on an annualized basis. Now I personally think that is very exciting. I mean, actually, to be very honest, some of my own friends, as in my close friends and family members, are looking at this opportunity to invest as well. बिकॉज these days everybody, हम कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि जी बैंक इंटरेस्ट रेट्स भी 20% हैं, लेकिन फ़र्क ये है कि जो बैंक के इंटरेस्ट रेट्स हैं वो नीचे आ रहे हैं और उनको नीचे आना चाहिए, क्योंकि 20% या 21% के जो इंटरेस्ट रेट्स हैं वो इंडस्ट्री के लिए और कमर्शियल सेक्टर के लिए सस्टेनेबल नहीं है। जो इंटरेस्ट रेट्स हैं वो कम हो रही हैं, लेकिन जो इधर आपको इंटरेस्ट रेट या जो आपको रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट मिलेगा, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ फिक्स्ड एंड अ गारंटीड रिटर्न फॉर अ 10-year पीरियड। उसके अंदर जो रिस्क है वो सिर्फ एम्बियंस होटल्स और रिजॉर्ट अज्यूम कर रहा है। वो रिस्क क्या है? वो रिस्क ये है कि अगर होटल की ऑक्यूपेंसी 100% है या खुदा ना खास्ता 0% है, तो उसका जो इम्पैक्ट है वो इन्वेस्टर के ऊपर नहीं आ रहा। हम इन्वेस्टर को ये नहीं कह रहे कि जी जो आपका रिटर्न है वो हमारी ऑक्यूपेंसी या हमारी कामयाबी के ऊपर बेस्ड होगा। हम अपने बिजनेस मॉडल के ऊपर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, जिस तरह के मैंने आपको अभी थोड़ा सा पहले बताया, टूरिज्म, वेलनेस, आर्ट, इन सारे कंपोनेंट्स के ऊपर। एंड ऑलरेडी वी आर अट्रैक्टिंग टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, बट फॉर द इन्वेस्टर this presents a risk-free proposition. It is also backed by one of the leading business groups of Pakistan, which is Beacon House. So जो FHS है, Future Hospitality Services, जो Ambience Hotels and Resorts को own करता है, that is a wholly owned subsidiary of Beacon House. So there is strong backing. So I'm confident that this is a good proposition. और मेरा कॉन्फिडेंट होने का ये भी वजह है, मैं ऑनेस्टली आप लोगों को ये बता रहा हूँ कि मेरे अपने जो फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली हैं उनमें कई लोग हैं जो कि इंटरेस्टेड हैं इन दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो या इट्स अ ग्रेट रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड आई वेलकम यू गाइस टू चेक इट आउट। एंड इवन इफ दे योर व्यूअर्स डोंट वांट टू make the investment, I would still love for them to at least visit Hunza and check out the hotel. Thank you.
Perfect. Sir, thank you for talking to us. Inshallah, we'll see you again at the event again and again, and also we'll definitely want to visit there. So guys, stay tuned. If you want more information about this project, you can definitely visit this show right now. आप PC Hotel पे आ सकते हैं. You can meet Mr. Kasuri Saab. You can meet our team here right now and invest in the best project available right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me.